What if I told you that AI is no longer just reacting to what we say, but is now learning to critique, improve, and evolve on its own? Well, it's happening, and it's not just hype. DeepSeek has unveiled an AI breakthrough that's about to change everything we know about machine learning, and it's already outperforming giants like GPT-4. Hold on, because what you're about to hear could redefine the future of AI. In today's video, we'll dive into two of the most exciting developments in AI right now.
I told you that AI is now teaching itself how to think better. Sounds crazy, right? DeepSeek just released an AI that...
DeepSeek's groundbreaking new AI system, DeepSeek GRM, and OpenAI's bold new upgrades to ChatGPT. How does DeepSeek's self-improving AI model actually work, and why does it matter? What does OpenAI's newly upgraded memory feature mean for the future of conversational AI? Is the future of AI about bigger models or smarter ones that learn from their own mistakes? Before we get into it, I've got a little something for you. We've just released a free course on AI avatars. It's packed with everything you need to know. What they are, how to use them to speed up your content creation, and even how to make money from them. Spots are limited, so hit the link in the description and grab your spot before it fills up. Let's kick things off with DeepSeek's jaw-dropping innovation. Imagine this: an AI system that doesn't just spit out answers, but evaluates its own responses, learns from its mistakes, and gets better over time. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's happening right now, and it's called DeepSeek GRM. How DeepSeek GRM works? At its core, DeepSeek GRM uses a method they call SPCT, self-principled critique tuning. The idea is simple but revolutionary. Once an AI model is trained using this method, it can teach itself to improve by critiquing its own responses.
It's happening in the AI world right now. And it's not just hype. DeepSeek just dropped a new way to make AI models.
Picture this. After generating an answer, the model critiques itself on factors like clarity, correctness, and relevance. Then it scores itself on a scale from 1 to 10, not just once, but multiple times. The magic happens with something called repeated sampling. This allows the model to ask, was that critique right? And then reevaluate its answer multiple times. It averages the critiques to get the most accurate judgment. It's like having a team of experts reviewing the work, ensuring the final output is top-notch. And to make sure those critiques are legit, DeepSeek uses what they call a meta-reward model, MET-RM. This filters out bad critiques, leaving only the best feedback, ensuring the model's decisions improve consistently. It's like giving the AI a GPS for its learning journey, making sure it never loses its way.
By OpenAI and Google, for example, to create their AI models. The good news for all of us is that DeepSeek's free to use.
How DeepSeek trains its models. Now, how do they actually train these models? Well, it starts with a process called rejective fine-tuning, RFT. In simple terms, this phase helps the AI refine its ability to critique itself by tossing out anything that doesn't measure up. It focuses on more challenging examples, discarding perfect answers, and honing in on tricky ones to improve the model's performance. DeepSeek doesn't stop there. They use a massive data set, over 1 million examples of general instructions, and 186,000 rejectively sampled data points. This helps the model learn what a good critique actually looks like. The key here is rejecting anything that's too easy, forcing the AI to focus on harder tasks. And by the time it's done, the model is like a self-aware critic, ready to evaluate and improve itself. Results of DeepSeek GRM's approach. The results of this self-improvement process are nothing short of impressive. In tests like Reward Bench, which evaluates chat safety and reasoning, DeepSeek's model, even at 27 billion parameters, outperformed some of the best AI models out there, including GPT-4. With just one pass, the 27B model hit around 86% accuracy. But here's the kicker. When DeepSeek applies their method of 8-sample voting and MET-RM filtering, that number jumps to 90%. That's not just an incremental improvement, that's a leap forward. What's even crazier is that the smaller 27B model can sometimes match or even surpass the performance of the much larger 671B model in certain tasks. So it turns out you don't always need the biggest, baddest model to get the best results. Instead of just throwing hardware at the problem, DeepSeek is showing us that smart, self-critique-driven AI can hold its own. OpenAI's major move, upgraded ChatGPT memory. Switching gears, let's talk about OpenAI. While DeepSeek is pushing boundaries with self-improvement, OpenAI is making massive strides with memory upgrades in ChatGPT. If you've used ChatGPT before, you know how it can forget details from one conversation to the next. But now ChatGPT can remember everything you tell it. Every conversation, every detail, all stored for future reference. This is huge. Why does this matter? Well, imagine talking to an AI that remembers you, the topics you care about, the things you've discussed. Over time, it gets smarter and more useful because it can build on past interactions. It's like ChatGPT is becoming a personal assistant that grows with you, understanding your preferences and tailoring its responses to your needs. And yes, you have full control over it. You can manage what it remembers and even clear things if you prefer. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, has called this upgrade a surprisingly great feature. And I think he's onto something. This could be a game changer for users who want a more personal, engaging experience with AI. No longer do you have to remind it about the details of your last chat. It just gets better the more you interact with it. Will these AI systems make us more in control or less? So here's the big question. Are we still in control of AI, or are these advancements starting to make it too independent? With DeepSeek's model critiquing and improving on its own and ChatGPT remembering everything, the line between AI as a tool and AI as a partner is starting to blur. It's exciting, but it's also a little unnerving. We're talking about AI that learns, critiques itself, and remembers everything about us, but how much control do we really have? Will these systems start making decisions on their own, or will they always need our input to stay on track? It's something we'll have to watch closely as AI continues to evolve. The balance between autonomy and control will be key in how these systems are integrated into our lives. The future of AI. In the grand scheme of things, the future of AI is shifting towards smarter, self-improving systems. DeepSeek's SPCT method is a perfect example of that shift. Instead of just throwing more data or bigger models at the problem, the focus is on making AI more capable of learning from its own mistakes. This isn't just about raw computing power anymore, it's about developing systems that think for themselves and get better over time. OpenAI's memory upgrades to ChatGPT take this to the next level, allowing AI to become more personal and relevant to each user. The combination of these innovations means that the future of AI could be more interactive, more helpful, and more integrated into our daily lives than ever before. So, which is more important in the future of AI, bigger models or smarter, self-aware systems? Based on what we've seen today, it might just be the latter. And hey, don't forget about the free course on AI avatars, links in the description. If you're interested in diving deeper into AI and how it can help you with content creation, this is the perfect opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below, letting me know what you think about these AI advancements. Do you think we're headed in the right direction with self-critique AIs, or is it too much too soon? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.